Okay, introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. This is Shivani Rathia. I am from Civil Engineering branch, second semester. I completed my schooling from Oriental Public School, Ambe Kapur. My hobbies are painting and making crafts by using waste materials. My strengths are my hard work, I'm determinant, and my family. My weaknesses are my nervousness and emotional behavior.
All right. Tell me, Shivani, on what genre or topic would you like me to question you?
So you can ask me related to society.
Society overall, world society, or particularly Indian society?
The Indian society.
Indian society. Okay. Uh, in Indian society, we still, although we are living in 21st century, but we still have a basic mentality of uh, people that girls are still a weaker section of our society, and they should not wear short clothes while going out, and they should not be
Sir,
outside after a certain. Yeah, Krishna.
sir, with your voice, some another sound is also coming, which is like disturbing.
Wait. Okay. Is it all right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got my question? Like this.
So not completely.
Wait. Can you mute your mic for a while, Shivani?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my question was, yes, it was not from my side. My question was that we know that we are living in 21st century, but our Indian society still believes that women is a weaker section of not everyone, but there is a majority of section which believes that women is still a weaker section of our society, and it is still a men prioritized society, and women should not wear short clothes while going out and should come home before a specific time, not roam outside for a longer period of time. So, what do you believe? What are their points or what are their reasons behind such mentality?
So these are the mentality of many people that they see girls in a different way. They thought that this is wrong, that girls should not wear small clothes because this attracts different people, and this also attracts, this shows or this evokes a different kind of mentality in people's mind, or this also generates a different kind of situation which become harmful or dangerous for for girls, especially for girls. So when girls wear short clothes or this type of things will attract people, and due to this different or dangerous things took place which harm girls.
Okay, so do you believe what they please mute your mic. Okay. So do you believe that this mentality of such people is correct?
No, sir, this is not correct. People need to generate a kind of mentality in themselves as the country is moving forward, and different type of things will generate. So they need to think accordingly. Like we are now in 21st century, and it becomes so longer from the earlier times. So according to time, people also need to change their mentality or mindset regarding girls.
But you yourself said that girls, because we this is a fact that girls should not wear short clothes while going out, all those things. So they have their own reasons behind it. So what is the possible solution for them to come on a similar page to what our mentality is, new generation's mentality is? What are the possible solutions?
So in order to reduce all this mentality of people, we should educate girls so that they will show themselves in front of
Like
society that
I'm not talking about eradicating their mentality, because they have their own reasons behind having such mentality. What are the possible solutions which can be implemented for them to change, not change their mentality, but to eradicate the fear they have for their girls or women?
the girls need to come forward in every field, whatever they like, and they work hard to get their whatever they want to get their aim, and they need to become an idol, which stops all those mentality what other people will say about them. So in this way, they can eradicate this mentality set of people.
All right. Nama ma'am.
Yes, Shivani, my question to you is, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Are we losing our local identity for the global identity?
Sorry, ma'am, I cannot hear you clearly. Can you repeat your
Do
question?
you think, are we losing our local identity for the global identity?
I don't think so, ma'am, because now India has also become a developing country. Women as well as men are working more in different sections like sports, like education. They come forward and they show their country in front of international, in front of other people, or on the basis of international or national. Um, as we see that many girls and even boys, they won prizes or won the matches also, and to reflect their country in front of other country.
And on the cultural basis, India has a rich culture, but don't you think the Western culture has overtaken the Indian culture due to globalization?
Yes, ma'am, it is. But we Indians need to overcome it by showing their tradition or their custom in front of others, in front of globalization. So there is something lacking in Indian people. So this must be worked out.
Okay. What are your strengths? And give some examples to quote the same.
Yes, ma'am. So my strengths are my hard work, I am a determination, and my families. So first of all, I would like to give examples related to my hard work and determination. So I completed my schooling up to 10th from CG school. So there is a mentality in villages or many people that it becomes a little bit different for the students who come to CBSE school from CG. So in CG school there is a limited syllabus, and in CBSE it's a broader syllabus which includes the and if we see the now education system, then
Shivani, if we could be a little precise about the answers.
okay, ma'am.
Just tell about your hard work and
Yes,
determination
ma'am.
practices.
Yes, ma'am. So I do a lot of hard work when I come from CG to CBSE. I did a lot of hard work in 11th and 12th also. So that's why I get a good percentage in class 12. And my
So, ma'am, I will go through topic with the question.
I think there is a little disturbance in your side of voice. Yes, go on.
am I clear?
Yeah, you're clear now.
Yes, and my family is also my strength. So whenever I despondent, I feel lost of hope. They told me they realized me that nothing is lost. You need to do hard work. You need to have patience, because the patience is something which you need to have, and which through which you get the success.
Okay, that is all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Gaurav, you are on mute.
Thank you, Shivani.
Thank you, sir.